Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I just want to point out that I don't have my nails done and I bite my nails and they're really gross and like disgusting. So try your best not to just stare at my nails this whole video because I'm going to be doing this trend that's been going around. I don't even know what you call it. Like, I don't know what you call it, honestly, but like people are taking lash glue, okay, and then they're gluing it up here, and then they're like flipping their, you know, that looked weird. They're flipping their lip, okay, and it's supposed to make your lips look bigger, obviously, and some people even do the bottoms. My lips look really weird right now. They're very like cracked and stuff because one, I bite my lips. Like, I'm a nail biter, I'm a lip biter, like it just, it's very annoying, but it is what it is. So we're gonna get past that too. I also just tried to like DIY my own black lipstick and it kind of like stained my lips and like now they look funny. So although I don't have like the best lips right now, I wanted to go ahead and do this anyways because I already had my makeup done and I wanted to make a video. So here we go. I think this is the most popular glue that everyone's been using. So, and I'm afraid it's gonna like mess up my makeup, but I guess we'll see. So you literally take it, right? And they just put it up here. I need to get a new one. Actually. Yeah, like look how discolored my my lip is from putting like the black lipstick on. Oh my gosh, okay, and this stuff is really sticky, so. Okay. We're just gonna go in. Obvious. And honestly, I have no idea how much to put. So I've kind of watched some other videos on YouTube that people are doing and it's been lots of flops, okay? And it's also on TikTok. I'll try and find some on TikTok and I'll put them in here if I can find them. I haven't personally seen them like on my TikTok, but I saw this girl's YouTube video who was posting them and a lot of people are like doing it easily, no problem. I know you're supposed to sit here and wait till this dries down a little bit and gets tacky and then you like flip it and like hold it. I don't know how long you're supposed to hold it. I don't know if it's really gonna work. I don't know if I'm gonna look dumb, probably will be, but we're just gonna do it. I just look like I have a little white mustache right now and I really hope this doesn't hurt my real mustache. Like, don't pay attention. I need to shave my face like everywhere, but yes. So while this is drying, I did a little Halloween makeup look. So when I think of Halloween, I think of like dark purples and like oranges and stuff. Like some dark greens, obviously black, and like then fall colors, brown, and like pretty much all the colors, just like a dark, deeper version of all the colors, if that makes sense. I don't know what I'm saying, but to me this is a Halloween look, and honestly I didn't have a lot of black shirts and I don't know, I just kind of like it. And yeah, I really hope okay, I'm gonna stop talking because this looks really dry. Hold on. This looks so dumb. I don't even want to show you my lips or my nails. But I also I can't take myself seriously. I also got some lip gloss down here, like a nude lip gloss to kind of like put on if this kind of like turns out the way I wanted it to. Honestly, I don't know what I'm wanting out of this. I just kind of want to see if it works, or like I'm just kind of curious as to what my lip would look like doing this. Oh my god, I cannot. I look like you guys, have y'all seen Monster-in-Law with J-Lo? Okay, what happened? She eats nuts or something, or like she eats nuts, and I'm pretty sure she's allergic to nuts, and literally her lips are like swollen, and just from that quick glance, that's what this reminded me of. Okay. What the fuck? I think I glued it lopsided. It's falling down on this side. Hold on. Oh, it was working now. Also, I don't think you're supposed to talk. Okay, and try it again. Because honestly, I want it to stick enough to where I can like put my lip gloss on, you know? You know, that kind of reminded me of the Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus. Is it Winnie, the redhead one? That's what her lip looks like, but like a smaller version of it. Okay, so you let this get tacky. I can't get over how disgusting my lips look though. Like I literally could not have chose to do this at a worser time. Is worser a word? Whatever. Okay, here we go. Round 2. I feel like it's sticking to my nose. I think I'm doing it too high, but literally if I flip my lip up, that's just where it goes. Like I don't have a lot of space between my nose and my whole Look at guys, I can't laugh or it'll like come undone. Oh my, I cannot. Should I even do the bottom one? Okay, do you guys hate it if I don't look at the camera? Okay, like right now I'm looking at myself, looking at how ridiculous I look, and now I'm like, I feel like I'm looking into your soul because I'm literally like focused and on this little tiny camera. Okay, forgive me if I talk weird, but I'm gonna talk carefully and kind of talk slow so this thing doesn't fall off my face. Bro, my lips are so dry. I literally look like I just walked into a glass door. I feel like it's not even. Girls, you know how like when you have I have like rabbit teeth, when you have like a face mask on and you don't want to laugh. There's just so much lip. I don't know what to do with it. Okay, I don't have like a close-up mirror, so this is gonna have to do. This is not cute. You can see like where it's falling off right there. Should I do the bottom lip? I'm going for it. Now I've only seen a couple of people do the bottom lip. So I don't even know like. Dude, I'm surprised. I'm so surprised this is staying up. I can't get over my teeth. I'm trying so hard not to laugh. Should I take some pictures like this and post it on Instagram? Like, look at my rabbit teeth. I think it's slowly but surely dropping down. Okay, we're gonna do the bottom lip. This looks ridiculous. Don't look at my teeth. I hate my teeth. Or my nails. I literally hate a bunch of things. Oh no, I think Brayden's coming. I can't even close my mouth. Brayden, does my lips look funny?
No.
I can't laugh. The bottom one's not really working. It just look, I mean, as if the top one doesn't look weird, but I look like a little bunny rabbit, Brayden.
Here we go.
Ah, thank you. And now like the glue is all gross down there. Yeah, the bottom's, I can't even close my mouth. All right, guys, well. Yeah, I don't think the bottom's gonna. You give me a little kissy kiss. Kiss my lips. Give me a kiss. They look so luscious though. Like it looks weird, not in a good way, but it's kind of like, ooh. Give me smooches. He won't kiss me. Oh. Okay. It's all over your lips now. All right, guys. Well, this was just a really short video. I just had to try it and I wanted to like catch it on camera. It's definitely falling down. I would not recommend doing this and like taking it seriously and like going out. I do not recommend doing this and like walking outside of your house, because then if I ran into someone, they'd be like, what is wrong with your lips? Oh no. All right, well, there's the aftermath. Obviously it's taken some of my makeup off. I'm gonna have to use like a makeup remover for this. Okay, but no, seriously, I mean, I know I look funny right now, but the videos that we're watching, some people made it seem like really hard, and then some people like didn't use this type glue. So I mean, if you're gonna try it and like you want it to work, I would definitely do this glue, the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. This is the one I have. It's just like all the videos I saw people using it with this glue, it like worked for them. My son's jumping in the background now, so I'm gonna go and let me guys know what you think. Did that look funny? Did it look normal to you? Did it look cute to you? Like, let me know in the comments below. Brayden, did you think my lips look cute like that? You did? All right, well, Brayden liked my lips. I highly doubt Austin would have liked that, but you know. So we'll see you guys next time.
We'll see you next time.
Peace.